What's going on, everybody? Well, today we're gonna go do some Instacart. So let me teach you how to get money, how to earn money in a way that is super easy, that anybody can do it. If you got a driver license, you can do it. Like, it's nothing difficult. It's like you go to the market and buy your food, and simple as that. You're just gonna buy it for another people, you know. Right now we get into Sprouts for an order of $50, something like that, and we're gonna start a day today. We're good. I'm not gonna put the full day, but I'm gonna put I think how much I make the day today at the end. But basically you just have to do all that and get the batches, you know. So you gotta, I don't know, batches, get it 20 minutes, 10 minutes, 5 minutes. Sometimes you gotta wait for the big ones. Sometimes if you wanna do like more money, like I do sometimes, is like I gotta get whatever they send me, you know. But yeah, I'll see you guys later. Okay, first of all, what we're gonna do, let's get the card.
We already have a
Hello. So for free also, we're gonna use 3 cards for the 3 orders, okay? So we're gonna do this right here. So we go to here and we see the A has 22, the B has 7, so the B is gonna be here, B right here, I'm gonna put the C right here, and A on the bottom. Always, like I say, I like to start with the produce area.